Good morning everyone, and welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And yes, I had 2 days rest, it was really nice. My legs felt a little bit tired, so you know what they say, you gotta listen to your own body. And my body said, Daniel, you're tired, relax for a little bit. So I did, and I feel much better. Not really 100% yet. My legs still feel a bit heavy, but let's see how it goes today. Maybe I will do a little bit of a shorter walk, but you know how it goes. I always say that it never happens, so well, let's see what happens. So we are on an early morning here on Södermalm, everyone's favorite island, and we are at the crossing of Fatbursbrunnsgatan. Yes, in front of Södra Station at the crossing with Swedenborgsgatan. So let's cross the street and let's make our way over to... Oh, let's go this way. Let's make our way over to Mariatorget, the square on the other subway station, a bit further down. It's very cold this morning. Like in the last week I was wearing shorts, but today it wasn't possible because it was only like 4 or 5 degrees. So yeah, I was like no thanks. So here's the train station, like everyone's getting out, going to work. Oh, actually let's go this way. Yeah, we got a lot of people here. Like a lot of people contacted me, they're like, oh Daniel, how are you doing? Are you fine? Yeah, I'm fine. Just a little tired. Not sick or anything or whatever, like some people thought. So, what does it say here? Södersjukhuset that way, Medborgarplatsen behind me, Hornstull in front of me, and Mariatorget that way. What's happening here? Some kind of camp, yoga. There's always yoga, isn't it? Another yoga and something. Sweden against Ukraine, stands with Ukraine against the Russian invasion. And what's this? Ooh, Kung Fu, Karate, Aikido. Not really sure what Aikido is. Okay, check out the car. Nice. That looks like an old-timer. It's funny, like I haven't done this for like 2 days now, and it feels kind of weird, like I have to get back into it. I always have this when I take even 1 day off or 2 days off. It feels really awkward for me to even talk into a camera. So oh, I know where I'm gonna go, because the feedback I got for the cherry blossom video at Kungsträdgården was so good that I will end this video especially for you guys at a different cherry blossom. There is on Hornsgatan, just in front of a few restaurants, there's actually some cherry blossom trees. I don't know, is that a word? Not sure. Let's have a look here. Oh, my mind's going all over the place again. Sometimes I need to to learn how to focus. This is one of Sweden's most famous singers. You should look him up on YouTube. Lars Winnerbäck. Jakob Hellman. Not sure. Don't really know him. What's this? Oh, some kind of festival. Oh, I like this alley. Ekehjälmstorget. Cool. With a little kid clapping. Very nice. So yeah, I've been doing some stretching in the last days, and I think it was Lourdes who said to in a comment like, put your feet up upside down for 20 minutes. I think it's like for blood circulation. I did that last night and actually helped a little bit, so thank you for that. But yeah, it's not so strange that I feel a bit tired, because you know, I've been walking for more than 1 year. I've been walking non-stop almost every day, so it's not that strange that you build up some tiredness. And I don't really take too many rest days either, so you know, note to myself, take more rest days. You know, life is not just about YouTube. I have other stuff to do as well, so yeah, anyway, all good. I'm back at it, so. And the spirit is really good. I really enjoy the walks. Oh, the nice tulips. And of course, you've seen it in all my videos. You know, it's interesting. I see flyers for events everywhere now. I know why it is, because, you know, this is the first summer without any restrictions for the pandemic. So this is the first free summer. Like some people call this is going to be the summer of love, you know, because a lot of people will go out and meet people for like the first time in 2 years. So at all the festivals and the clubs and, you know, all those kind of things, people will meet each other again and fall in love, hopefully. So this should be fun. I like how they close it off for traffic here in the summer. Very cool. Oh, now the sun is coming through. Swedenborgsgatan, really one of my favorite streets here on Södermalm. I did a special walk on this street. I don't even know when it was, but a few months back. I always say a few months back, and sometimes I look at it and it's like 10 months ago. I think I've had my channel for a little longer than my brain tells me, so it's quite funny. So now we are at the station of Mariatorget. So we basically walked from the train station to the metro station, and these two stations are actually some of the ones that are closest to each other. Lynn should have visited this place, Scottish pub. No, you shouldn't. When you're actually from Scotland, you shouldn't visit Scottish places abroad, I guess, because it's never the real thing anyway. It's like going to a Thai restaurant. I mean, I love it, and for me it feels a little bit like it's in Thailand. But I guess when you're actually from Thailand and you visit these places, you're thinking, oh, cringe, no, this is not good, you know, because it's sometimes almost like, you know, taking the piss out of the real thing, you know what I mean? Like, oh, another one, Linnea Henriksson, no idea who that is, but sounds fun. Oh, Rederi AB Soja. I gotta look up what that is. No idea. So, this is the actual Maria Square, Mariatorget. Oh, this is a good, I see a nice word of the day, folks. Look at this. The thing is that it is the word of the day, but I'm not really sure how to translate it. It says here, visa hänsyn till alla som vistas på den här gatan. So, visa hänsyn. Alright, someone has to Google this. Hänsyn. It basically means that you have to think about other people. So, visa hänsyn. Herregud, vad är det för något? So it basically kind of means that you have to adapt to other people. So it's not just about you, you have to look out for other people while you're here. I think that's a nice way of explaining it. I'm not sure if there's one specific word for that in English. Not sure. A little playground over there. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm taking it slow today. I'm not going to walk too far of a distance. I will just walk to the cherry blossom over there, and that's it for today. Nice and slowly. Because someone was commenting yesterday, I think, on a YouTube video, said like, you can also just sit and talk with us on the bench sometimes. Not a bad idea, because you know how I roll. I always have something to talk about. What does this say? Say it or boo it. Funny. There's another one there. Woo. Who's the devil? It says, who's the devil? I don't know what this is about, but oh, wow. Stop killing people, you effing twat. Oh my god, that's funny. Is that a message to Putin? Or who was that addressed to? I'm not sure. Ming Palace, Chinese restaurant. You know, I must say, there is Chinese restaurants in Sweden, but not extremely much. I sometimes get this question. So no China takeaways? Yeah, they are, but they're not super popular. So yeah. So now we are at, where are we? Yes, Hornsgatan. So we've got Slussen over there on that side. We got all the lookout points there behind these buildings. But that's not where we're going. Let's go a little bit this way. People are riding their bicycles. Lovely, lovely. I can never get enough of Södermalm, really. I could literally walk just on Södermalm every day of the year. In just different areas, little alleys, the main streets, the lookout points, you know, the shops, the cafes. Never get enough of it. It's actually rather the opposite. The more I walk here, the more I enjoy it. Oh, this is really nice uteservering, like in the middle of the street here. Can't believe they got a permit for this. That's interesting. I mean, you see these types of places more often, but then on the smaller streets. But this is on Hornsgatan, like one of the main streets here on Södermalm. It feels nice and be out and walking again. I missed it. It's been 2 days. Ah, green. Let's run. Did I make it? Yeah, I think so. Wacko Outlet. Ah, people. Old Amsterdam, Gamla Amsterdam, the Dutch cheese shop. That's where the magic happens, the Dutch cheese. Oh, they got more of these areas here, another one. And they're not small either, they're big. They must pay a lot of money to have that, to expand their outside area of the restaurant. I always think this is so awkward to have this Herr och Fru Lose, and then you go into the shop and there's actually those people working in the shop that they have on the sign. Like, I could never imagine having my own face hanging outside of the shop. So every time I go in and out, you see your own face. Well, to be really honest, sometimes you visit people at home and you go inside their home and they have lots of pictures of themselves, like in the living room. I would never do that. I know exactly how I look like. I don't need pictures hanging around my apartment to confirm that. Or maybe that's just me. So the question is, do you have pictures of yourself hanging in your living room or in your bedroom? Doesn't matter. That's the question to the chat gang. Let me know. So we almost came here to our final destination, and I can already see the cherry blossom. It is lovely. Slightly a different color than on Kungsträdgården, more pink. See it over there at the back? Oh, let's check it out. Come on, let's go green. Yep, there it is. Okay. I would say this is the second most famous one in here in Stockholm. Check it out. The trees are a bit higher here as well. Beautiful. Nice little cafe there. I actually think I'm going for coffee in this place here after. Oh, I had lunch in this vegetarian restaurant for about a month ago. Okay, a month ago, probably 3 months ago, doesn't matter. But it was really good. They have a buffet for like 100 crowns, you know, like 10 euros. And it was very tasty. But there's a but. But this goes for almost every good cafe on Södermalm. There's a queue. It's very popular. Alright, I think that's it for today. A 20 minutes walk is lagom, as they say. Thank you for watching, and I see you all tomorrow on a new adventure. See you, folks.